What makes you happy? Sports, especially badminton. I love playing sports based on individuality. Your definition of true love. You won't believe that I'm a professional dating coach. I have a YouTube channel also based on that. So, true love does exist and it doesn't exist. There are two answers for that. But it's basically practically manipulating things. True love is very conditional. We have to follow some techniques, and in detail I can not explain here. But basically, true love does exist, but it is very conditional, and you have to follow some techniques to maintain it. To whom you are most closest in the family, and why? I am close to my mom and dad both, and I ask for advice from my dad most of the time, because he has a lot of experience in different fields, and he of course has more experience than me, especially in those fields where I have no experience. Pranks and craziest things we have done inside and outside with school friends. Like when my dad was in defense navy, we had an intercom facility. So whenever we used to call someone, that person cannot come to know about who called them, or maybe that number is not displayed. It just comes as random number. So we used to make use of that a lot. Like we used to make prank calls, and that person couldn't come to know who we are or what number it is. So that was one thing. We went to haunted places, and especially in Calcutta, there is one place named Fort William School. It's called Haunted Place. We wanted to try that haunted place, and we were outside the gate just to have an experience. So that's it. And world needs right now. What's the important thing world needs right now? Vaccine. There are two things according to me. Either vaccine, everyone should put that for sure, so that this pandemic is over, or else a 24-hour active sanitizer. That means you apply that sanitizer once and it will be active for 24 hours. So these two things can only cure this disease and this pandemic. Is there anything you would like to change about yourself? Frankly speaking, I have a baby face, and I don't like that. I want to look mature, and that's why I'm little, now you can see, muscle building process. So that is one thing, and I'm little restless and anxiety. I have an anxiety problem. I can't stay at one place, so I would love to change that. Which is better, arrange or love marriage? As I said, I am a dating coach, so I would prefer love marriage any day, because there should be love. Arrange is just like you're just marrying a random person who doesn't love you. It's just an arrangement. How's your equation with siblings or cousins? Not that good. Most embarrassing moment in your life? The worst embarrassing moment was I had lied to my friends and lots of people that I have cracked IIT, and actually it was not true. So one of my close friend came to know that, and when he asked me questions face to face regarding that, I couldn't answer him. That was the most embarrassing thing, because I was caught red-handed. Best and worst things about having a smartphone and social media? According to me, there are lots of things, but according to me, two best things are: you have the power to become famous yourself. You don't need anyone else. You can promote yourself, you can put your ideas, videos, website, whatever, yourself, and you don't need anyone to get famous. Okay? And also, what's happening, like if you want to know how to cook potato but you don't know how to cook potato, you can type on YouTube that how to cook potato, and you'll get the instructions. For example, if Tata Sky screen is coming black, you don't know what to do now, you can type on YouTube that black screen Tata Sky, what to do. You'll get the answer there. Even on websites, knowledge and how to practically do it, lots of things. These are the advantages. And worst thing is that you get addicted, and you feel like seeing everything every time now and then. So that's the worst thing. Thank you guys.